Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Google Camera on any Android. So the first thing we should do is simply get our Android device here, and then we go to the Play Store, and then once we're in the Play Store, we search for Camera 2 API Probe. And then once we've found it, we tap on it, and then we tap on install, and then we wait for it to download a bit. It takes a few seconds, and then we wait for it to install, and then we tap on open. And then right here, if it says in hardware support level, in the level, if yours is checked to level 3, you shouldn't have any problems. And as you can see, mine is not level 3 because it is not a relatively new Android device. It is an old Android device. However, if yours is set to level 3, it should be good. So, for you to use this, all you need to do is go back to the camera app on your default camera app on your phone, and it should be good. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.